Concerns over children and social media are growing, particularly when it comes to mental health. So much so that a Texas state lawmaker wants to ban anyone under the age of 18 from getting any social media account. Stephanie Haynes joins us live to explain that one. Good morning, Stephanie.
Hey, good morning, Mitch. So how this would work under the bill is you would have to upload a picture of your state ID showing that you're 18 years old, and then a second picture of you holding your ID just to verify for the social media company. Then the bill says that social media company would have to delete that data. And it also includes a provision in there for parents to alert the social media company and ask them to remove their child's account if they so choose. So in a statement, this Texas lawmaker is saying that he cites mental health crisis among kids and likens it to smoking, writing in part, quote, "Social media is the pre-1964 cigarette. Once thought to be perfectly safe for users, social media access to minors has led to remarkable rises in self-harm, suicide, and mental health issues." Last year, a Wall Street Journal report revealed that internal research from the company Meta, which owns Facebook, showed 32% of teen girls said Instagram, which it also owns, made them feel worse about their bodies. A recent Pew Research study found out of more than 1,300 teens surveyed, found that 67% of them said social media platforms made them feel as if they have people who can help them through tough times. I spoke to a child psychologist who says parents need to be really more hands-on and vigilant with their kids using social media because, like it or not, it's part of our culture and it's part of our social life.
Too much, but they need some time on these platforms in order to connect. And kids do know how to use these things responsibly. To forbid it altogether is folly. It just isn't going to work.
In the fall, the state of California passed a first-of-its-kind bill that really requires social media companies to step up protecting privacy and data, especially when it comes to children using those platforms. So this is a very critical issue among the states, and we'll see if more bills sort of start to pop up as the legislatures start to go back in January, Mitch.
You don't see California and Texas agree on a heck of a whole lot, but this seems to be one of those things. That's Stephanie Haynes in Dallas. Stephanie, thank you. Thanks for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation in your cable lineup. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-based, unbiased coverage.